Hello. Today, I'm excited to introduce to you our AI-driven finance analytics demo, a transformative solution designed to optimize your collections and cash flow. By leveraging advanced machine learning models, we predict payment likelihood and forecast DSO with unparalleled accuracy, giving your team the tools to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Here's what we'll cover today: the critical challenges in collections management you might be facing, how our AI-driven solutions address these challenges head-on, the technical capabilities powering our platform, and the tangible business impact you can expect from revenue protection to working capital optimization. At the heart of our offering is the Core Insights platform, which combines three pillars: predictive models. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical data to predict payment behavior and DSO. Risk intelligence. Integrated scoring identifies high-risk accounts early so you can act proactively. Strategic alignment. Every insight is tailored to your financial goals and seamlessly integrated into your workflows. Let's talk about the challenges you might recognize. Unpredictable payments leading to poor forecasting. Inefficient resource allocation with teams spending time on low-risk accounts. Bad debt exposure due to late risk detection. Our AI solutions flip the script. Payment likelihood models flag risks early. Risk-based prioritization ensures your team focuses where it matters most. Integrated risk scores empower strategic credit decisions. The result: a sharper, more efficient collections process. Diving deeper into our predictive tools. Payment likelihood. Classification models assign a probability score to every invoice so you know which payments are at risk. DSO forecasting. Using advanced time series methods like Profit and Sarimax, we delivered forecasts that align with your financial planning skills. This isn't just data, it's actionable intelligence. Here's the transformative impact of our platform: improved forecast accuracy, no more guessing, reduced bad debt, early detection protects revenue, optimized cash flow, smarter allocation shortens DSO. Our predictive modeling integrates risk scores and aligns with your goals, while automated workflows streamline processes. Plus, data intelligence ensures every prediction is built on clean, reliable data. Let's connect the dots. For every problem, we deliver a targeted solution. Unpredictable payments? Our payment likelihood model detects risks early. Inefficient collections? Risk-based prioritization directs efforts to high-impact accounts. Bad debt? Integrated risk scores guide credit decisions. The outcome? A collections process that's not just reactive, but proactive and precise. Under the hood, our platform is powered by machine learning with classification and time series models with automated training for continuous improvement. Diverse data sources with historical invoices, customer data, and past interactions that fuel accurate predictions. And data quality. We clean, standardize, and impute missing values so your insights are built on a rock-solid foundation. Now let's talk results. Our clients see revenue protection, reduced overdue receivables and bad debt, working capital optimization with a shorter DSO and improved liquidity, higher productivity, teams that focus on what truly moves the needle. This isn't just about technology, it's about financial resilience and growth. Implementing our platform means protecting revenue through early risk direct detection, unlocking working capital with optimized cash flow forecasting. Every feature is designed to deliver measurable ROI from day one. Our predictive intelligence platform isn't just a tool, it's your strategic partner. With scalable ML models and accurate forecasting, you'll transform collections into a competitive advantage. Using historical invoice and payment data, we trained a model to predict payment likelihood. This helps prioritize high-risk invoices for proactive follow-up. And this section provides deeper insights into how the analytics or models were applied in real-world scenarios. Our reports like credit risk performance and customer risk and prioritization provide deeper insights into payment behavior and collection efficiency. As we can see here in our payment likelihood report, there are many different values that are assigned to anything that may be of importance in our dataset. We then use these values in our predictive analytics section to then create multiple graphs that will help us with predicting certain values in the future. And also, these graphs will then help us with determining in which sections we may need to make adjustments on or improvements in the company for the future. We also implemented DSO forecasting using time series models like Profit. This gives finance leaders a forward-looking view of AR performance. And with these insights, finance teams can allocate resources more effectively, reduce overdue receivables, and accelerate cash flow. As we can see here in the model evaluation section of our report, there are many different values that we see here and that we can then use for predictive analytics, creating, once again, more graphs for us to help analyze and determine where we need to make improvements for in the future. As for implementation strategies, we began with first data prep. As you can see here, we start with first the data set, and then we clean it up a bit, and then we go to vector assembler, which then again preps the data once more for us, going into logistic regression, and then which goes into the Smart Predict node, which is the main part of this, where the Predict node, it takes in a data frame and model and then makes predictions on the data using the model, and then which then goes into a binary classification evaluator and a multi-class classification evaluator. Now, looking into workflows, we can then go into more payment likelihood model training, where once again we have two separate prepped payment likelihood data models, and then it goes into a logistic regression, which then goes into a Spark Predict, into another binary classification evaluator. And using this will then help us, once again, with then scaling the payment likelihood model, where it goes into multiple string indexers, into more vector assemblers, into this time an sklearn logistic regression node, into an sklearn predict node, and then a classification evaluator. This is where most of the model evaluation data comes from, which we can then use for predictive analytics. And looking one more time, lastly, it goes into the all of this prep data will then go into payment likelihood graphs, as we can see here. Now, this is just one of many things that you can use Core Insights for in order to help you with predicting and analyzing your data sets. Thank you for listening.